Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send XDC from MetaMask to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're managing your crypto across wallets, this step-by-step process will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have both MetaMask and Trust Wallet set up on your device. You'll need some XDC in your MetaMask wallet, and the XDC network added if it isn't already. To add it, open MetaMask, go to the Network dropdown, and select Add Network. Enter the XDC mainnet details. Network name is XDC Network, RPC URL is https://rpc.anchor.com/xdc, single quote chain ID is 50, and symbol is XDC. Save that, and you're good to go. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your XDC wallet. Tap on the Receive button to display your wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string, so double-check to avoid any errors. Step 2. Switch over to MetaMask on your browser or mobile app. Ensure you're on the XDC network from the top drop-down menu. Step 3. In MetaMask, click the Send button. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field, then enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the transaction fees. They can vary, so choose a gas fee that balances speed and cost. Step 4. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. Make sure the address and amount are correct, then hit Confirm to broadcast the transaction. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a minute or two, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, open Trust Wallet and refresh your XDC balance to see the funds arrive. And that's it, you've successfully sent XDC from MetaMask to Trust Wallet. Always remember to verify addresses and use secure connections to protect your assets. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.